What's up, YouTube? It's ABC here with my bike check. I have to use my iPhone because my camera screen's like destroyed, so I can't use it. So this is my We the People Justice frame. I think it's a 20.5 top two. Start back to front. Right here we have a Star Circle black back rim stock. Came with my DK, Lacio DK hub. Have stolen joint, blue walls. They are 2.3. I like fat tires. Let's go right here. We've got, what are they? Stolen Thermalite pedals. Got to break them in a little. Just got them. Animal stripe pedal. See, got it for cheap off Danscom. It's good for the amount I paid for it. Right here we have the Animal wedge seat post. I like it. It's okay. It's not bad. I only paid like I think 20 for it, so yeah, it's not bad. It's like wedge stock DK seat post clamp. I think these are Redline cranks. Let's see. Go up here. We have a Kink headset, integrated headset. Let's see right here. We have a Rant front load stock DK bars, Black Ops grips, Star Circle rim in the front again. Got the other stolen joint tire. Let's see, it's in the brake. Okay, let's see what else. And I have some, whatever, bottom bracket, and then I have a stolen class, 2 blue sprocket, then a KMC blue chain. Yeah, that's about it. So if you like the video, then go and like it. Check out my little edit, and yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, I forgot. And then I have, what are they? Verde forks. That's what I forgot. Verde forks. And the Kink headset. Yeah, that's about it. See you next time.